The question is to find the limit. Here we have complex fraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate the denominator x plus 1 and x by multiplying x times x plus 1, both the numerator and denominator, right? So that is equal to limit as x approaches 1. If we multiply this way, then that's going to be 2x minus this term times this, then that's going to be x plus 1, right? Denominator, if we factor this, that's going to be 1 minus x, 1 plus x, and we have x plus 1, right? So if we simplify numerator, that's going to be x minus 1, and then this limit is equal to limit as x approaches 1. Numerator, we have x minus 1. Denominator, if we switch these two, that's negative x minus 1, right? And we have 1 plus x plus 1, right? Now we have same factor x minus 1, so cancel them out. And then substitute 1 for x, right? That is equal to 1 over negative 1 plus 1, 2 times 1 plus 1, 2. So that's negative 1 over 4, right?